Fuel prices are projected to go down this week, with diesel dropping by almost 21 pesos per liter. This breaks the cycle of hikes seen since last month due to the global oil crisis triggered by the Middle East war. In a video message on Sunday, April 12, President Bongbong Marcos says oil companies are expected to implement significant decreases. The rollback will be implemented starting Tuesday, April 14.
Mahigit 20 piso ang ibababa sa diesel. Ang gasolina naman may bawas na 4 pesos 43 centavos kada litro. Kerosene, 8 pesos 50 centavos kada litro ang ibababa. Malaking tulong ito lalo na sa ating mga driver, sa mga commuter at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino na araw-araw naapektuhan ng mataas ng presyo ng krudo. Hindi pa ito sapat, kaya tuloy-tuloy naman ang ginagawa ng inyong pamahalaan para maibsan ang epekto nito sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay.
Marcos says that he will announce additional measures and assistance from the government to help drivers, commuters, and Filipinos struggling with high fuel prices in the coming days and weeks. The president also urges Filipinos to uphold bayanihan and responsible behavior as the country faces energy and price shocks. He condemns individuals who exploited the ongoing crisis and turned to fuel theft and hoarding. In his latest vlog, Marcos calls on the public to show unity, compassion, and discipline in helping ease the burden on their communities.
Sa panahon ng kagipitan, dapat ay mangibabaw ang ating pakikipagkapwa-tao. Ito ang kabayanihan na maaari nating ipakita ngayon. Nakakalungkot at nakakagalit din ang iba nating mga nakikitang insidente kamakailan. Dahil sa kalagitnaan nitong pinagdadaanan natin, ay pinili nila isipin lang ang kanilang mga sarili. Yung gasoline boy na tinakasan, baka sa kanya pa ikaltas ang ninakaw na gasolina. At yung may mga kaya, huwag kayong nag-hoard ng diesel.
Marcos assures the government will not stop in finding ways to ease Filipinos' burden amid the energy crisis.